So yeah, we're just checking all the wiring and everything seems to be okay. Got a green light on the transmitter. That's okay. That is doing nothing when you pull the trigger. And you're switching anything. The batteries are charged because the power is going okay. So looks like the transmitter is not working, does it?
No. Both batteries are fully charged.
Yeah. Yeah, and we connected those, so it doesn't have to be in the water, does it?
Yeah, that's correct.
Because that's everything. So yeah, not sure where is the problem. What we think about is only the transmitter. You can see the red light flashing in the, is it a transmitter box or? Yeah.